Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and I'm so excited to be with this beautiful Ruhi, the bundle of joy, and the red carpet now truly sparkles. We are in Hyderabad. How amazing is that?
Amazing. I'm very excited to be here. I love Hyderabad. Taj Falaknuma Palace, who doesn't know it? My favorite hotel, and I'm very, very happy to be here.
It's such an exciting night. You know, we have such incredible films being celebrated.
Right.
Who are you most rooting for?
Honestly, everybody. I think may the best film win, may the best actors win. I'm here to sort of experience South and the color and the beauty it has, the energy it has, and it's my first time at Filmfare South. So I'm just looking forward to the night.
It looks incredible. We have Gayatri performing.
Oh, go Gayatri! I'm here for you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a fantastic night ahead. And I'm so excited to be here in Hyderabad with the beautiful India, who by the way is also hosting. So let's get all the updates. What's going to happen? What is the exciting thing that's happening tonight?
Oh my God. I think for the first time ever, we are 3 hosts on the stage. And yeah, we've been rehearsing from yesterday. And Sandeep is already there. Faria, you know, she's a Ento cutlet. So we've had so much fun. So looking forward for this night.
You know, like you said, there's been so many films this year, right? Tell me some that you've really enjoyed watching and, you know, you definitely are rooting for.
This year, I think Kalki is a sensation. And what a visual treat it was. And I thoroughly enjoyed watching it.
Absolutely. Okay, when it's hosting, you know, you get away with it cracking a lot of jokes. Are you going to go there or not?
Hopefully, yes. We worked a lot coordinating with Sandeep and Faria. We've done a lot of it in the rehearsals as well. So I hope all of that works on the main stage tonight.
I'm sure you'll be fantastic and you're looking beautiful. Okay, some fun questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here's the first one. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. A funny one.
I'm married, but a lot of people ask, are you? and I get to see a lot of, news saying that, okay, this boyfriend, that boyfriend. Oh, I just want to go back and count. Please don't ask me to count.
Taken. Sorry, boys. Okay, the next one is an underrated actor in the industry. Can be from Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, any industry. Kannada. Who do you think is even now underrated?
Naveen Polishetty. Just love him.
And
love his acting.
Someone else needs to go
Yes.
his way, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. If you had to swap your lives with another actor, which actor would you choose and why?
That's an interesting question. I think that would be Trisha Krishnan. I love her. That's what I told even yesterday. Oh my God, she doesn't age at all. Yeah, very graceful, and she just looks the same. She's getting better day by day.
Okay, according to you, who's the most entertaining actor? Can be on meeting on the red carpet or otherwise. Who, according to you, is hands down the most entertaining actor in the industry?
Most entertaining, I think Navdeep from Tollywood. Whenever he takes the stage, then he's another level. So I think he's the best entertainer.
I think tonight we are going to see fireworks in the stage today as well, since you called. So we're very excited. Thank you for doing this. Thank you so much. And I have with me the lovely Rashi. Hi, thank you for joining in, first of all. And we have to say, what an exciting night.
Yeah.
And incredible movies this year, right?
Yeah. So this is my first film fair, so I'm feeling really excited. All stars under one roof, so looking forward to it. And you're looking lovely.
Thank you. You look fantastic.
Like a green flag.
Green for you. Green and blue always get along well. But you know, I want to know. So many wonderful films, and you know, you're in this profession. You know, actors want to experiment. What films do you think people have really experimented with this year, according to you?
I think after COVID, people are experimenting a lot with films, especially with thrillers. I think all the films, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, everything is thriller, all about thrillers. So I think nowadays people are making more realistic films and not just glamorous films, and making more sense to it. Now films are not about just heroine, but about story and characters.
Which is fantastic. So who are you rooting for tonight? There's so many nominees.
Let's see. I'm a big Allu Arjun fan, so any day I would choose him.
Fantastic. I hope you have a great night ahead. Thank you so much.